We can't see you.
I know. Turn that down.
Scooter Bros. Oh, he's way up there. Where'd he go? Can't see you, man. Oh, I see you now. Stop, stop. Oh, you just twisted. Okay.
That one I didn't feel it twist. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Go. Here,
It's
go.
recording.
You can't see him right now, but he is turning around, so nothing important. Here he comes. Nate Schwartz, the co-owner of this operation. Me, hobo. It's my turn, so what I will do is I will walk up to him. I'll say, "Woo!" Schwartz, it's my turn. Come on.
Let's look at it.
No, just come on.
No.
Just do it. It's just
Fine, go. Scooter Bros, I think this recorder's gonna run out of battery soon. Where is he? Can you see him? I don't think you can see him. Should we use these two?
I believe I can fly and touch the sky.
Let's use these two. Does that help? I don't think that helps.